Take a second and travel back to 2002. No responsibilities, just pure arcade racing bliss on your family's old desktop. If you want that feeling back, you likely spent hours looking up how to install Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 in PC. But let's be real. Most YouTube tutorials out there are just pure clickbait designed to waste your time or trick you into downloading sketchy files. We don't do that here on Freebies on Steroids. Today, you'll learn the exact steps for installing Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 on PC safely. I've personally verified the download to guarantee it has no viruses or malware whatsoever. Grab your steering wheel, because your childhood is officially back. Before we get further into the video, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is provided for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do not create, own, or claim ownership of any of the game files featured. The content presented in this video is not intended to encourage piracy, illegal distribution, or unauthorized downloads in any form. The channel's mission is to create archival copies of video games to prevent them from being lost forever. In some cases, games previously regarded as abandoned may later be re-released or commercially revived. If you're the copyright holder or licensing owner of any game shown on this channel and would like the content removed, please contact me at the email you see on the screen and also at the description of this video. Thank you. So now, first things first, security. As you see from my screen, I've already downloaded the game files safely on my PC. Now, I will scan them with Total Virus to show you that they do not have any viruses or malware on them. This way, you'll see for yourself that the files are clean to download. This may take a while, so sit back and relax a little. As you see, game files are totally clean and safe to download. So now, we move to the download part. To download Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2 on PC free and safely, I've created a Google Doc with step-by-step instructions, so you can easily follow each step carefully and understand all the things you need to click and do in order for you to get the game correctly without any problem. I've done this to help you, so you don't get confused about where to go or what to click. The link to this doc you'll find in the pinned comment and also in the description of this video. So go ahead, pause this video, click the link, follow the instructions carefully, and come back here once you get the game files. So now that you have downloaded the game correctly, there's one last thing for me to explain to you: how to install and play Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2. But I'm not going to bother you too much here, cause this is a very easy and straightforward thing to do. To install it, just double-click the Need for Speed Hot Pursuit 2.exe inside the game files and follow on-screen instructions. Then, to start playing, go to your main installation folder where you install the game and double-click the NFSHP2.exe to start the game. That's it. One last thing before I say goodbye. In fact, two last things. First, I recommend installing all the driver packs that you see here, so that this game works correctly. These driver packs come in help also with other games in the future that you may decide to install and play. And second, this game wouldn't be possible to play without the work of a guy named Blades. So, special thanks to Blades 1992 for this LG repack of NFS Hot Pursuit 2. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, as I will do my best to answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. Till the next time, take care.